Hello friends, now we are going to discuss advantages and disadvantages of various modes of transport. Advantages of railway. It facilitates long distance travel and transport of bulky goods which are not easily transported through motor vehicles. It is the safest means of transport. It is a quick and more regular form of transport because it helps in the transportation of goods with speed and certainty. It helps in the industrialization process of a country by easy transportation of coal and raw materials at a cheaper rate. It helps in quick movement of goods from one place to another. It encourages mobility of labor and thereby provides a good scope for employment. Disadvantages of railway. It requires a large investment of capital. The cost of construction, maintenance, and overhead expenses are very high as compared to other means of transport. Its routes and timings cannot be adjusted to individual requirements. It is inflexible. It cannot be operated economically in rural areas. It cannot provide door-to-door service as it is tied to a particular track. It is also unsuitable for short distances. Advantages of waterways. It is the cheapest means of transport. Its maintenance cost is negligible. The water transport needs less fuel as compared to other means of transport. It is an eco-friendly mode of transport. It promotes trade as more than 70% of the world trade is carried through waterways. Disadvantages of waterways. It is much slower than its road, rail and air competitors. It provides access to limited areas. Out of the total inland water body available in the world, only very low percent of it is potentially navigable. Now, advantages of airways. It is the fastest means of transport and therefore suitable for carrying goods over a long distance requiring less time. It provides comfortable, efficient and quick transport service. It is regarded as best form of transport for transporting perishable goods. It is the only means of transport on those areas which are not easily accessible to other modes of transport. Disadvantages of airways. It is the most risky form of transport. It is regarded as the most costliest form of transport. These are not suitable for carrying bulky goods. It requires huge investment for construction and maintenance of aeroplanes. Advantages of roads. Maintenance cost is very low or negligible. It is available for 24 hours. These can be built at higher altitudes. It is within the reach of a common man. It has the merit of offering personal service too. The extension of agriculture is possible only through road transportation. Disadvantages of roads. They are highly congested in cities. The road network is inadequate in India as compared to demand and volume of traffic. The condition of most of the roads is very poor as these become muddy during the rainy season. And most of the highways in India lack side amenities like telephone booths, emergency, health services, police stations, etc. Thanks.